It is 12th of June 2016. I have been busy making some changes into my garden. There used to be a swing for the children. I took it out. I have bought a Walton's greenhouse. It is a very good piece of engineering, nicely made. It has the worst instruction book which I could never understand how to assemble it. With the help of neighbors, it took me 10 days to assemble it. I had to learn it by trial and error. Now it all has been installed. I made these benches myself. I have put some plants inside as well, which needed some special attention. Some late grafted apple trees. There have been a few changes which came from the nature with the change of the weather. That's one of my rose bush, which I had grafted with so many different varieties, and as the weather started changing, it has come up with a lot of different varieties of flowers. That is, those flowers, they have just spent their life. Few petals are still hanging on to it. That is one variety. Next to it there is another variety. A lot of flowers are hanging. Nice, beautiful flowers with nice scent. That's another variety. Those yellow flowers, that's another variety grafted onto the same tree. And in between them, that's another nice big flower full of petals. It is a beauty of the nature. That's another variety which was budded, and it has come out with the white flowers. There's another one behind this one. That's another one opening up, and that's not all. Some of the varieties which have been budded, they have grown, but they haven't produced any flowers yet. In between there were some more varieties Now the flowers have died. That was a completely different variety. Just behind it, some peach color flowers. That's a different variety. On the other side of the same rose bush, I grafted few varieties, and there are some flowers coming up. That is its original variety. At the same time, some varieties which I had grafted, they were broken off by the wind. This is one of them. I will explain one of the common mistakes which is made while we are budding and grafting the roses. Sometimes it happens with the other grafting techniques as well. Those are roses in my front garden. Lot of different flowers, they are coming out, and these two along with the wall which were grafted, that's one of them. It has these flowers. Some of them, their life has expired, some are still hanging on to it. That is another bud graft I did, and it is coming up with another flower which is just opening up. And if we go a bit further higher up, there's that one variety which is white, and next to it, that's another variety. It is coming up with lots of new flowers. And second rose bush, that's one variety, and that is another variety grafted onto the next branch. A while back, that was cleft grafted, which still can be seen where the grafting was done, but it is coming up with another variety. The flower hasn't opened yet. Next to it, that's another variety which has come out with some different yellow flowers, and next to it, that's another red variety. And if we come a bit lower down on the same tree, there was a bud grafting done which was alive, but it was struggling to grow. Now it looks like it is coming out. With the change of the weather, nature has added some more colors and more beauty into everything.